Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 4520 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive cab tractor with a John Deere 400X quick attach front loader. Tractor has just under 900 hours on it, has 60 horsepower. It is the late model 4520, and they bumped the horsepower rating on these tractors. Tractor's in really nice shape. It does have the plumbing here that run a grapple, so you can easily plug a grapple into the front here. John Deere quick attach for your bucket connection. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Front and rear work lights on the cab. R4 tires. The fronts do show some wear, probably 20 or 30% tread remaining. Backs have closer to 70 or 80% tread life remaining. It does have the rear remote back here, and those hoses are running to the front of the loader for that grapple function. So if you need a rear implement to be operated, just unplug those hoses. 540 PTO, has a 3-point hitch with the stabilizer bars. All that good stuff is there. And again, the paint obviously is in nice shape on the tractor. Inside of the cab is clean. There's three ranges in the transmission. It's a hydrostatic transmission with the pedals on the floor over there. Loader joystick here with that button to operate the rear remote or the grapple function. E-throttle is also on this tractor, so what that does with this center switch here, it allows you to turn that on. It allows the engine speed to be increased right with your transmission speed as you push the pedal, so that's a very nice feature. And again, that can be turned on or off. Also has cruise control, has the climate controls up top, and then also the radio over here to the left. Air ride seat for the operator, four-wheel drive engagement right up there on the dash. We do take trades. We also can arrange delivery anywhere here within the US. We also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors on our yard, we stock approximately 150 used tractors. Please feel free to visit our website or give us a call.